Tax Administration Jamaica is advising taxpayers that the income tax threshold has been increased effective April 1, 2026 to $1,902,360, up from $1,799,376. The adjustment follows an announcement by Finance Minister Fayval Williams during the 2025 budget presentation, outlining a phased increase in the tax-free threshold between 2025 and 2028, with a long-term target of $2 million. TAJ notes that the effective tax-free amount for the full 2026 year is $1.8 million. Reflecting the mid-year implementation of the change. The increase represents the second phase of the planned adjustments and will result in higher tax-free earnings for both employed and self-employed persons. The change will deliver estimated annual savings of $25,518 per taxpayer, or about $490.73 weekly, $981.46 fortnightly, and $2,126.50 monthly. Tax authorities are urging taxpayers and employers to update payroll systems and financial planning to reflect the revised threshold.